Unraveling F1, the saga of degradable tires. General Culture brings you an exciting journey into the world of Formula One, where every detail matters. Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating story of degradable tires. Buckle up for an exhilarating ride. Tire degradation is a term every F1 fan knows, but what does it really mean? Simply put, it refers to the gradual wearing down of tire performance over time. This affects how a car handles on the track. In Formula One, managing tire degradation is crucial for maintaining peak performance. Teams need to ensure their cars can handle the high demands of the race. This involves constant monitoring and strategic planning to stay ahead. Tire degradation significantly impacts lap times, pit stop strategies, and overall race outcomes. It's an element that adds excitement and unpredictability to F1 races, making each race a thrilling spectacle for fans and teams alike. Pit stop timing is a strategic masterpiece in F1. Teams analyze real-time data to determine the precise lap for tire changes, ensuring minimal time loss while maximizing performance. A well-timed pit stop can be race-changing. Driver feedback is crucial in this high-stakes game. Pilots relay information about tire grip and handling, allowing engineers to adjust strategies on the fly. This dynamic interplay between driver and team is essential for successful tire management. Iconic races often highlight the importance of tire strategy. The 2011 Canadian Grand Prix is a prime example, where Jenson Button's victory was heavily influenced by his team's exceptional management of tire degradation amid challenging weather conditions. Future advancements in tire technology promise to enhance both performance and sustainability in F1. Innovations like biodegradable tires could revolutionize the sport, offering improved race dynamics while addressing environmental concerns, paving the way for a greener motorsport future. With advancements in technology, future F1 tires may offer improved performance and sustainability. Engineers are constantly exploring new materials and designs to enhance durability while maintaining the high speeds and precision required for competitive racing. Innovations like biodegradable tires could revolutionize the sport. These eco-friendly tires would not only reduce environmental impact, but also align with the growing global emphasis on sustainability, setting a new standard in motorsports. Tire degradation is more than just a technical term. It's a dynamic element that shapes the entire race. Understanding how tires wear down and impact performance adds another layer of strategy and excitement to F1. Managing tire degradation can mean the difference between winning and losing. Teams must decide when to pit for new tires or risk losing time on worn-out tires, making strategic decisions crucial for success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the world of F1. Stay tuned for more insights into the technology and strategy behind the sport.